Hello! I'm so glad to see you. I am Commander Sam Starfield aboard the story ship Rescue Rocket. My friend Sarah has been kidnapped by aliens, and I need your help. I need a crew. I need someone to pilot the ship through the asteroids and to the planet.
They go round and round and...
Not a good idea to have the biggest planet in the solar system full of gas.
Hold up there, soldier. General Mars here.
Then I'll need some help with some music and some magic and an alien dance. I figure these are the best ways to try to communicate with aliens. And we're running out of time. Listen, book a trip on the story ship for an adventure of a lifetime.